Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin niyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift na energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. Okay, let's see. Wow! First card, the Lovers. The Hangman. Seven of Pentacles. Uy. So, stuck. Waiting for you. Uy. Temperance. The Knight of Swords. Three of Cups. The Chariot card and the Karma. So, itong taong ito, stuck, waiting for you. So, naghihintay siya, patiently waiting. Ayan, two cards waiting. And this person really want to see you again, to talk to you again. Gusto niya makita ulit kayo, magkausap ulit kayo, magkasama ulit kayo. And it's parang divine counterpart energy, soulmate, twin flame, or kung ano man label ang gusto nyo. Six of Swords, bottom card. So, nag-relapse na naman ang moving on process nitong taong to. So, nagmo-move on na siya eh. Maring parehas kayo na na-miss ka nitong taon to. Nami-miss ka niya. And trying to move on, pero ayun, nag-relapse na naman yung moving on process na ginagawa ng taong to. And this person is waiting for you again na mag-reach out. Tingnan natin, signs and symbol cards. So, matagal nitong pinag-isipan. Tingnan natin. So, expected na magre-reach out to. Kasi hindi niya na kayang i-hold back. Para anytime soon, sasabog na lang to or mag-spill na yung hindi niya na kaya itong hawakan pa. Or i-hold back to. No? Bibigay na to, malapit na. Ayan. So, we have here the magnet. Ayan eh, ang lakas ng magnetic pull na nararamdaman niya towards you. Kaya, inisip niya, soulmates kayo. Kung hindi man niya alam yung twin flame connection, iniisip niya, soulmates kayo. Pero more than a soulmate to eh, parang ang twin flames. Ayan. Kaya ganun na lang katindi, ka-intense, para sa kanya itong nararamdaman niya. So, we have here the coffin, lighthouse, clover, healing crystal, bonfire, and telephone. So, tatawag siya. Definitely, this person will call you soon. Kasi hindi niya na kayang pigilan pa itong nararamdaman niya sa'yo. So, nagkaroon ng bonfire energy. Maring yun yung start ng relationship niyo or connection niyo. Very mabilisan, and then nawala rin agad. Doon nag-start. Naglagablab na sobrang init. Alam mo yung unang pagkikita nyo pa lang may something na, ang lakas na ng magnetic pull or ng emotions, nag-overflow na agad yung emotions, kaya naglalagablab agad. And then, parang ang bilis ng mga pangyayari, naupos din agad, or feeling niya na overwhelmed lang siya sa naramdaman niya sa'yo, umiwas siya. So, bago pa totally matupok ng bonfire na to, yung buong pagkatao niya, pinatay niya na agad yung apoy. So, umiwas siya. Umiwas siya sa'yo. Ayan. Trying to move on, to heal, pero ayun na nga, nag-relapse. Back to zero. So, hindi niya na kayang pigilan pa. This person will call you. Tingnan natin. Anong message ng archangels? Alam mo na ang gagawin mo. You know what to do by Archangel Uriel. Trust your inner knowledge and talk upon it without delay. So, alam mo na ang gagawin mo. Ayan. With this guide ni Archangel Uriel. So, tingnan natin. I will fight for you. Can you forgive me? Working hard for our future. This is not over yet. Oh. Feeling left out in the cold. So, yun na nga. Bigla siyang umalis, tumakbo, natakot. Maring ginost ka pa nitong taong to. Caught in the middle. And nagkaroon din ng other party. Yan. Third party. It's a disaster and the struggle is real. So, yung bottom card, you're my strength. So, kuha tayo more messages. I love you. I replay our conversations over and over. I knew exactly what I was doing. I know I was a distraction from your pain. I wish I could take back my words. Maring tinanggihan ka niya noon. I couldn't let you get close to me. Not available. It's time for me to heal now. Both kayo. I wish I could share my good news with you. So, ito, marami siyang gustong sabihin sa'yo. Once na tumawag siya, maring yung naging dahilan ng separation or itong bonfire energy, maring nakahanap nga siya ng pansamantala na love life or person na hindi rin nagtagal. Temporary person noong mga panahong yon or a relief. Bonfire kasi is temporary relief. So, inisip niya kasi na yun, parang band-aid, panakip butas. Inisip niya kasi na yun ang makakatulong sa kanya to forget you. Pero ang nangyari, hindi. Hindi siya nakatulong. Lalo pang lumala ang sitwasyon. Okay. Kuha tayo ng initials. YD, S, FJ, letter V, letter P, K, Q, M, N. Kuha tayo ng blue card, marriage, passion, no strings attached. So, with this bonfire energy, no strings attached, na-realize niya na yon na parang nag-jump siya na into another option. Ganon. So, tingnan natin general signs and messages. Weird. Perfect smile. Animal lover. Food lover. Talented. Full of charisma. Travel. Overthinker. Air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Private person. Capricorn. March. Friendly. July. Intelligent. Cute and chubby. Flower. May other country. Cup is water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Mirror. Coins, earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Selfie-holic. And summer. So, yan ang ating reading. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.